In this video, we are going to understand the type of operator in Python. So there are 7 types of operator in Python. The first operator is called arithmetic operator. The second operator is called comparison operator, assignment operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, membership operator, and identity operator. So let's try to understand each operator in depth. First, we will start with arithmetic operator. So a equal to 11 and b equal to 2 is taken. And a plus b is a first arithmetic operator, that is a plus. We can subtract a minus b. We can multiply a plus b. Okay. So now in division operation, we have 3 options. You can either go with a single slash. Okay, the answer will be 5.5. This is a true division answer. This is only quotient. And this is going to give me the remainder. Okay, so 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. 11 divided by 2, if you see the question, it is 5 and the remainder is 1. If you want to find a raised to b, that is also possible. A star star b is a raised to b. You can find out, you can go for the next one, and there is a comparison operator. In the comparison operator, we have a value and b value. Suppose a is 11, b is 2. Now, when you check a equal to b, that means a equal to b, the answer is false. A is not equal to b is true. A greater than b is true. A less than b is false because a is 11 and b is 2. A greater than equal to b is true. A less than equal to b is false for sure. Now the assignment operator. Suppose c equal to, I take 11 and a equal to 2. Now what is the meaning of that? Most of the learner get confused with that. So let me announce this and tell you what is the meaning of this. So this is star c equal to c plus a. So this will a plus c will be added and the answer will be stored in the c itself. Great. So answer will be 13. Now when you take this example, so this will be basically c equal to c minus a. I hope this is clear. What is the meaning of this? C equal to c multiply by, okay, c equal to c multiply by a, and answer will be stored into c itself. Great. So let's check. 22, right? So what is the meaning of this now? Hash c equal to c divided by a. What is the meaning of this now? C equal to c percentage a modulus. What is the meaning of this? C equal to c raised to a. Okay, great. This is also the quotient finding method. C equal to hash, you can put, that is a comment, c equal to c divided by a. But we are going to get a quotient as answer. Now this is a bitwise operation. So a equal to 14 and b equal to 12. Okay. And what is the meaning of bitwise operator? Bit by bit it is going to operate. So let's check the first one. What is the binary of a? Binary of a will be 1110. This is the answer. What is the binary of b? So binary of b will be 1101. So what we are going to do? We are going to do an ending operation. So end of this will be, if both the values are true, the answer is true. It's completely fine if you don't know the binary operation and ending operation, but try to understand that both answers are true, the answer is true in the binary. Next part, suppose I want to go for OR operation, that is also possible to find out. This is the OR operations. So first the decimal number will be converted into binary, and then we will do a OR operation, and again we will get the binary, decimal answer itself. If you want a binary answer, then you have to write a bin over here. This is an XOR operation. Great. You can do a negation operation also. Negation means negative of that. Now coming to the logical operator. So we have true and false true condition. You can go for, you can actually check for A and B. If both are true, the answer is true. One is false, the answer will be false. In our operation, if single is true, the answer is true. And what is the not of true? It is for sure false. Now coming to the membership operator. So I live in India is actually stored in A. I'm checking India is in A, the answer is true. USA is in A, the answer is false. India is not in A, the answer is false. USA is not in A, the answer is true. So now this is a list operator. We can check it for this way. 4 is in list, the answer is true. 9 is in list, the answer is false. In tuple also you can check for the membership operator. 3 in tuple, the answer is true. 10 in tuple, the answer is false. Suppose you have set like this, you can check it. 3 in set, the answer is true. 10 in set, the answer is false. Suppose you have dictionary like this, let me create it 20 and 30 for you. So here 20 and 30 are basically the key. Okay, 20, 30 are basically key. Okay, and 1 and 4 are basically the value. Basically the value. So when you try to check whether 30 is available in the dictionary, it is going to say true. Okay, I need to write it one more time. Okay, 30. First we need to run this. Okay, 30 in DIS. Let's check. What is the answer? True. Okay. 4 is already available here, but it is going to say false. The reason behind, we cannot check the value directly. We can check the key, but we cannot check the value directly using membership function. Now identity operator. Suppose x equal to 3 and y equal to 5. So I can check x is y, the answer is false. X is not y, the answer is true. So all the operators I have covered in this tutorial. Only the heavy operator which you will find difficult to understand, I think that will be only bitwise operator. Other are very self-explanatory. But bitwise operation, if you know the ending and ORing operation in digital electronics, it will be easy for you. So you can check out for ending and ORing operation in the digital form, and you can able to understand the bitwise operation.